If you're dealing with a cracked or failed engine coolant filler neck, replacing it with a high-quality, reliable part is essential to keeping your vehicle's cooling system functioning properly. This engine coolant filler neck is designed to be a direct replacement for your original part, restoring the functionality of your vehicle's coolant system without the hassle. Made from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting performance, even under high heat, vibration, and the stress of everyday driving. Engineered to match the fit and function of the original neck, this filler neck is designed for easy installation and provides a leak-free connection. Whether the original part has cracked from wear and tear or failed due to heat or fatigue, this replacement will quickly restore the cooling system's performance, preventing further damage to your engine and ensuring that your vehicle runs smoothly. This part is constructed with the same high standards you'd expect from original equipment, offering dependable performance throughout the life of your vehicle. The materials used in its construction are designed to withstand the demanding conditions of your vehicle's cooling system, providing a secure and lasting solution for your replacement needs. Many customers have shared how easy it is to replace the broken filler neck, with one reviewer mentioning that they completed the replacement in under 30 minutes. They highlighted how convenient it was to simply pry off the old part and install the new one. With the hot weather, they couldn't afford to have their vehicle sidelined, and this part helped them avoid costly repairs. To ensure this part fits your exact vehicle, be sure to input your make, model, and trim level into the Amazon Garage tool before purchasing. This will confirm that you're getting the right part for your vehicle, guaranteeing a perfect fit and smooth operation. Click the link in the description to purchase the engine coolant filler neck and get your vehicle's cooling system working like new again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful product reviews and automotive maintenance tips.